What's bigger? First video we are going to unbox Wizard Fafnir. So let's go. So ito ang likod niya. Wizard. What? Ano yan? So we got Fafnir, yung chip. Then yung metal weight niya, Sen. Then yung Wizard, yung blade, Ratchet, and then Rice. Let's go, boys. So ito sana makakuha na natin. Ito na tama. Let's go, boys. So, sorry kung hindi nakapag-upload na napakatagal na araw. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang araw yun. Kung ilang araw. Yeah. Teka lang guys, ang hirap buksan na rin. Tape na tape. Let's go, boys! Ayun, bukas na pala. So, hirap. Uy, nakabox. Nice. Uy. Oh, nice. Nakuha natin yung rep card launcher. Nice. Then, we got this. Uy, ba't nandito to? So, we have first is tong rep card na. So, sana maganda to. Balik na use natin. So let's go, boy. Move on to the Beyblade. Nice. What? Hey. Ingay na ate ko. Lakas mo. So we have the Beyblade Burst. Hirap, guys. Uy, tumalsik. Ayan, tumalsik. Stickers. Tapos natin to. Walang kwenta. Yung box, tatabi natin yan. Stickers, boy. Ito pala muna. First is this chip niya. Pangatong fake. Duling yung mata. Next is metal weight. Sen. Okay. Next is Wizard Blade. No rubber. Kaya hindi naman speed steel. Ratchet. Tignan natin kung may ikot to. What? Ayaw may ikot. Dalawang. Ba't ganoon lang? And Rice. So let's go put it together. Sheesh, nice. May ano didikit ng stickers. Tingnan natin kung maayos ba tong rep card launcher. Tago mo. Tago. Go, shoot. Uy! Nice. Ang lakas. Nice. Bad versus resistance nga lang. Yung Ratchet. Uy. Oks na yun. So, wala mo ng test battle. So, yun lang naman. Goodbye.